ఆసియా ఫుడ్స్ ఉన్నాయిగా. వీరు లోకం మూలమూలల నుండి సింగిల్ ఆరిజిన్ స్పైసెస్ వెతికి తెస్తారు ప్రత్యేకంగా మన కోసం. ఆసియా ఫుడ్స్, ప్యూరిటీ ఇన్ పర్పస్.
Hello everybody. I, Dr. Kadambari Jethwani, am a gold medalist medical doctor, board topper, National Merit Scholarship recipient, having academic affiliations with prestigious American universities. I completed my entire medical education purely on merit, without paying any tuition fees. In 2024, my family and I were implicated in a highly motivated and malicious counterblast case in Andhra Pradesh. The timing of this case was carefully orchestrated to serve far more powerful vested interests. I am issuing this statement because the current flawed investigation has proceeded without considering my statement or my side of the story. At the same time, distorted narratives based on misconstrued facts continue to be circulated by certain publications whose revenue interests align with those very powerful entities. My innocent family, including Mr. Narendra Kumar Jethwani, Mrs. Asha Jethwani, and Mr. Ambarish Jethwani, have been proven to be maliciously framed as per the CID charge sheet, but after enduring over 2.5 years of unjust suffering. However, the CID charge sheet, consisting of merely 20 pages, contains allegations, pure allegations against me that are entirely false, baseless, malicious, and entirely unsubstantiated. I categorically, unequivocally, and completely deny every such allegation. The allegations in the charge sheet rely primarily on a financial transaction of approximately 4.5 lakh deposited into my account by the complainant, all data records and electronic communication. These facts merely establish communication and do not establish any illegal conduct whatsoever on my part. The amount represented payment for professional work performed by me together with certain voluntary gifts. I later sought payment of the remaining dues, which the complainant failed to honor. Publicly available facts also show I rejected his marriage proposal after learning of his alleged criminal background. The witness statements relied upon in the CID charge sheet have already been contradicted by the very same witnesses before the Honorable Magistrate Court, where they stated that they have never even seen me. Those proceedings resulted in action against the complainant and the 3 suspended senior IPS officers. All acquaintance and financial transactions with the complainant ended roughly a decade ago. The remaining allegations in the FIR are entirely fictional and unverified. Yet they have been sensationalized by certain publications. A genuine transaction of only 4.5 lakh rupees has been misrepresented as 1.32 crore rupees. Derogatory terms have been irresponsibly used against an innocent, unmarried young woman. Rather, I had rejected a marriage proposal by the complainant and had been subjected to unwelcome, offensive selfies by him. I possess neither political influence nor the resources to fight powerful vested interests on equal footing. That has made me an easy target. I appeal to the authorities and the media to recognize the immense human cost of this prolonged ordeal. My career, hitherto unblemished reputation, dignity, future prospects, personal relationships, and peace of mind have all been placed at stake. False and baseless allegations deserve to be dismissed, not amplified. I sincerely hope there will be no further unnecessary delays in my name being unequivocally cleared. To those sections of the media that have deliberately distorted facts and served vested interests, I respectfully call upon them to issue an unqualified public apology. My tears have long since dried up. This statement is not for myself, but for every young woman after me who may find herself facing a similar distressing ordeal. In today's day and age, no young woman should be made to undergo a prolonged trial by fire as Mata Sita once was. I continue to place my faith in the power of the truth. Thank you.